Hey everybody. Today we're going to talk about the nervous system. The nervous system is a very complex system, does a lot of things throughout your entire body, all over. The purpose of the nervous system is to coordinate the body's response to changes in its internal and external environment. It's kind of like it's letting you know what's going on, your body's responses. Okay. There's a lot of major organs that come together for this. First is your brain. This is the control center of your body where all your processes are relayed through. All your thoughts, when you have a mosquito laying on your arm, your brain is what tells your hand to slap it away. Okay. In your brain, you've got the cerebrum and the cerebellum. Also, your spinal cord is part of your nervous system. It sends instructions from the brain to the rest of the body. It's very important to keep your spine safe. And your nerves conduct impulses to muscle cells throughout the body. They're everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. All right. The function of the nervous system is to receive information and respond to that information. So you felt the mosquito and you knew to slap at that mosquito, or you touched that hot surface and your brain tells you to pull your hand away. The body receives information through 5 senses called a stimulus. Then the body responds to the information by making some kind of change or a response. So think about your senses: seeing, hearing, smelling, touching, and tasting. We use that all the time. We use it when we're not even thinking, when we don't realize we're going to use it. And so we use all those senses to help us respond to things. The nervous system is divided in 2 parts: your central nervous system, your brain and spinal cord, and your peripheral nervous system, all of these nerves that connect to the spinal cord and your body. So you can see them here in this picture, this blue part. A reflex is an automatic response message to move the skeletal muscles, and it doesn't travel to the brain like your knee-jerk response when the doctor will tap your knee and see if you do it. So it says by age 11 for girls and 12 for boys, the neurons in front of the brain have formed thousands of new connections, and over the next few years, most of these links will be pruned. Now, those that are used and reinforced, the pathways involved in language, for example, will be strengthened, while the ones that aren't used will die out. So, y'all are in a very important time in your life where if you keep using these things, they're going to grow and get better and stronger and smarter. Kind of like if you use it, you lose it. All right. So what is a neuron and why are they important? Okay. So also paralysis can occur if the spinal cord is injured. That's why we really want to be careful with our back, our spine. Paralysis means you couldn't walk or maybe use your arms. Okay. If somebody has an injury to their back, sometimes it causes them not to use their legs anymore, or you can see in these pictures as worse your injury is, the worse the results are. Okay. All right, so we can see here in the nervous system, there are just so many parts, so many places. It's used all over our body. So the main thing I want you to remember about our nervous system, that's a very tiny brain in that Simpsons head, is our main parts: the brain, spinal cord, and the nerves.